You guys, I have to get on and highlight this smart toilet. This is the Costa Diva brand, and this thing is amazing. So we've got it right here. Here's what the actual toilet looks like from the outside, so you could kind of see what it looks like in your space. It is amazing. So I mean, it's a little bit larger than a regular toilet, but it has so many functions. I can't even wait to show you. So when you open it up, here's what we look like on the inside. Here's the lid, the toilet bowl. This is where the actual bidet portion comes out of. It has this smart night light, so this shines during the night, which is so cool. I actually love that feature. And then here is the remote. So it is a handheld remote. You can take it out. You can hang it up somewhere like we have it right here. But look at all of these options. So it has rear massage, front massage. You can do like a warm air dry. There's the flush button. Here is the stop button for when you want it to stop the actual water squirting. And then you can actually put different users in it. So you can have user 1, user 2. You can change the water pressure, the position. Like, this toilet has literally everything. I am obsessed with it. I absolutely love this, and I feel like everybody deserves a nice smart toilet. So again, here's what it looks like from the outside. Just a really sleek, nice design. So very many options. You guys, do yourself a favor and buy yourself a smart toilet. You will not regret it.